How to fix Chase mobile app is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Chase mobile application not working, first of all close all the background application and then relaunch your application again. Also check if it is a server issue. If the Chase servers are down, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed on their state. Also ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also make sure you're using the latest version of the application. For this, head over to App Store or Play Store and search for Chase. Tap on it and then tap on Update to get the latest version. Make sure to uninstall and reinstall the Chase app if it is still not working. Check for your device software and see if it's up to date. Head over to App Info and clear the cache for the Chase application. Also, if you have any VPN installed or enabled, make sure to disable it as it might interfere with the application. However, if nothing works, you'll have to contact the Chase support for the further assistance. Make sure to add screenshots while you submit the request. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.